very relaxed all the way through it. Hey strummers, welcome back to the channel, or welcome to the channel. And in this video, I'm going to share with you some simple ways you can get your strumming hand under control so it sounds better and it's a lot easier to play songs. If you're an adult guitar player here on the Gold Coast and you're just starting to play guitar or getting back into it, you've probably looked across YouTube for ways to strum. And there's some good advice out there and some may be a little bit confusing for you. So in this video, I want to share with you 3 simple ways how you can take control of your strumming so the songs that you play is more easier, it sounds greater, and ultimately you have more fun. So step number 1 is lock this part of your elbow onto the upper belt of the guitar, right? Too many times I see people with their elbow down on the front of the guitar here, but you want to just keep it nice and perched on there, and that's going to act as a fulcrum or pendulum, whatever you prefer, to help you strum easy, which leads me to my next point. When you're strumming, just keep everything nice and relaxed. So your whole forearm is not tense. You're not gripping the pick hard or squeezing your hand hard. Everything's just nice and relaxed. And it's like the old analogy that I first learned when I was playing. It's like water, flicking water off your wrist, all right? And that's how it should be, nice and relaxed. You're not tense, because if you're tense here, or up in your shoulder, it's going to sound that way. Now that we've got our elbow in place, we're strumming like this, nice and relaxed. When you do any sort of strumming pattern, here's what not to do. When you strum down or strum up, stop. Do not stop. Keep this going at all times. For a lot of songs that you play, it's what we call like 8th note strumming, which is just down, up, right? But you've got to keep that motor just running up and down at all times. It doesn't stop. So when you miss strings, like in certain patterns where you're not playing, you're still going to keep this motion going and move across the strings. And it's really important, because if you stop just for a split second, it's sort of like, you know, you're driving down the M1 and like you're on the brake and off the brake. It creates a lot of confusion and very unsatisfactory results, right? Especially for those people behind you. All right, but like here, it's just keeping that nice and relaxed. So if you're nice and relaxed and your elbow's in position, point 3 of moving up and down should be a no-brainer and should happen automatically for you. I'm gonna add a bonus tip in. All right, so we've got the 3 ways: lock the elbow, everything nice and relaxed, strumming up and down, do not stop when you do a strumming pattern. All right, and here's the other thing. A thing that I see a lot of is people play like that. Yeah, elbow, your wrist, sorry, is pointed right out away from the strings. All right, but you really want to keep everything just nice and parallel to the guitar, just moving across. All right, so you're not anchoring that forearm down and moving the wrist. All right, it's just everything's moving across nicely. All right, and that's going to help when you play songs like, or strumming patterns, I should say. Right, I'm just very relaxed all the way through it. If you found this video useful and helpful, hey, hit like and subscribe below, tell your friends about it, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Bye for now.